Hi everybody, it's Linnea. I have the Whimsy Stamps Spooky Kitties stamp set product reveal to share with you today. The Spooky Kitty stamp set consists of 3 spooky kitty images to color and 6 sentiments. Each of these kitties are about 2 inches, so the top one with the broom is about 2 by 2 inches square, and the other ones are about 2.5 inches long by 2 inches wide. So these are perfect for your standard A2 cards, your slimline cards, pretty much any style of card that you like to make. I wanted to show you what these look like all colored up, so I went ahead and stamped and colored them. I kept them a classic black Halloween kitty and accented with other traditional Halloween colors. The one holding the broom is super cute, but I love the one with the pumpkin and with the hat as well. I created a slimline card using some other Whimsy Stamps products to show you how these cute little spooky kitties look on a card. Again, I kept this one colored with traditional Halloween colors and added him onto my slimline card so you can see how well he fits on this style of card. Thank you guys for watching.